So if you choose to register for our workshops and webinars, you get access to the education and exercises section of our website. So just to give you a little tour, in the education section, you see we have literature. Within these tabs, we have the literature that we've referenced and a little bit of a synopsis. And we have broken down the literature into exercise related, birth related, and MSK. We have book list, our resources. So these are resources that we recommend for our pregnant ladies. It brings you to different apps and resources that we recommend for physios as well. We have our lectures and webinars, all the guidelines, all the up-to-date guidelines that are related to pregnancy and postnatal are here. And we also have some finding relief education videos that we have done. So that's for women who are getting pelvic girdle pain. We also have in our exercise section then pretty extensive video library. So you get access to the Stay Strong classes. Okay, so each one of these is around between 40 and 45 minutes, and you can stream these through the website, and then you get a sense of what each class looks like.
Okay, so we're gonna.
And we have the Finding Relief classes as well. We have our classes from 2014, training videos, and then we have all the exercises in different positions demonstrated. So you can have a breakdown of that as well. So there's a lot of material here to go through. There's a lot of knowledge, and this is here to support you with the workshop and the webinars.